If the image you have is too dull, or if the image is not too sharp and you are looking for a way now you can improve the quality of this your image. So in this video I'm going to show you how to upscale your image so that you can get a better quality image that you can post on your social media or you can use for any work. So if you like to learn how to do that, make sure you watch this video to the end to learn the step-by-step on how to upscale your image so that you can get a better image for your social media. So before we dive in, if you are seeing my channel for the first time, make sure you subscribe to this channel so that anytime I upload videos like this, you will be the first person to get the notification. Also make sure that you like and drop your comment in this video. Also help me to share this video so that others will see this video. So let's dive into this section. To upscale your image so that you can have a better image, or to make your image more sharper, so what you need to do, go to any of your browser, or if you are using Google Chrome, you go to your Google Chrome, then you type pixelcore.ai/image upscale. So you type this on your browser. So it's going to bring you to this interface. So you click on upscale image for you to upload then that image that you want to upscale. So you go and look for the image that you want to upscale. So just scroll your folder to go and select that image that you want to upscale. Okay, so let's use this image. After you select the image, it will start to load for you to start upscaling the image. So just hold on for some time for you to finish upscaling the image. Right, so it has finished upscaling the image. So to download the image to your gallery, you click on this icon that is on top here to download the image to your gallery. So you click on download. So the image has finally downloaded. So let's go and check our gallery so to see the difference between the two image, the one with upscale and the normal image. Yeah, so this is the image that we upscale. So let's see the normal image. Now this is the normal image, so you can see that this one is dull while this other one is sharper. So this one at this site will help you to upscale your image for you to get a better image that you can use to post or to do anything that you want to do. So if you got value from this video, make sure that you share this video and also like this video so that others will also see this video. Also drop your comment in the comment section. If you want me to do a video on any particular thing, you can drop it on the comment section. Make sure you subscribe to this channel so that anytime I upload videos like this, you'll be the first person to get the notification.